Alright, hello guys. So technically I'm going to teach you how to make your own video game. First you type in Scratch. You hit enter and it'll bring you to this site. Scratch is really easy. Alright, you hit the top one, Scratch Imagine Program Share. And then it'll bring you to this site. So now I already have my profile, but I'm going to sign out to show you how it's done. So I signed out, you hit join Scratch, this is technically everything, and you type in a username and a password. So yeah. You technically type in a password, really simple, and then you go to the next step. Okay. But yeah, you'll do that, you'll go into the next steps, and then you will have something set up. I'm just going to type mine in real quick. Yeah. Oh, up there, sorry, that username already exists. Oh, okay, because of me. Duh. Okay. I'm just going to sign in real quick, and then let's get started. So sign in, hit, yeah. Alright, my stuff, yeah. And then I'll bring you to this. Here's all my games, but today we're going to make a new game to show you how to make a video game. So yeah, then it'll bring you to this site right here. So yeah, it's really simple. First you name it. So what should we name it? Unicorn. Yeah, unicorn. That's a good, yeah, that'll be a good name. You go here, you select new sprite, and it should bring you here. Since I'm making a unicorn game, I'm going to go into fantasy and hit unicorn right there. Yeah. Then you hit OK, and it should go like that. And then you're just going to grab the scissors and delete the cat. So that's how you edit it. Here is the background, which we're about to do. And then, yeah, that looks pretty good. The heart, yeah, we'll make the heart. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is technically teach you how to do a flying kind of game. It's cool, I think. Yeah, the heart, it has this little black dot, which is perfect for an example. So I am going to convert to bitmap by pressing that button. Grab the eraser, erase that little black dot, and then grab circle, and then do this, yeah, and it'll catch that color. Then you use the circle to block off that white spot, and it looks like a perfect heart. Sorry. Now, yeah, go, oops, no. This is how you upload things from the internet. Just gonna go like that, and then, buildings, that's right, buildings. We're gonna click that, and then okay, just like I said. And then we are gonna go, and you see all these pre-costumes here? That's good. I honestly did not know that, but that is good. So we're gonna put the building as far back as we possibly can, and then put the unicorn there. When that happens, unicorn shows. Okay. And then we're gonna put that there. And it's really simple. And then we go into building, and we go like that, and hide, yeah. And then, show, sorry. And then we're gonna go to forever. Looks, show, yeah, okay. And then we are going to just go to costumes. No, we're going to go here, go there. All right, that is perfect. So you have this, that'll technically make it. The blue script will have it go to where it is right now when the game starts. So yeah, really simple. Okay, so yeah. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is put this, glide 1 second. Oh, yeah, we want to glide. We want to make it glide to there by just dragging it. And then as you can see, it'll change. So then you put it there. And make sure it's the same Y position as it starts. And then, yeah, so that's that. You go to looks, you put hide, and then you go to next costume. And that is what this will look like. So, as you can see, there is a glitch there, but we can fix that. So, technically, we just need to go to motion, grab this after that, so it will work. So, yeah, you change the X position to the exact same as the very beginning. And yeah, really simple. So then it'll start to look like this. So I think that looks good. Let's stop it. It kind of looks like the unicorn is flying, but not really. So I'm gonna get a new backdrop. Let's do cloud, well, like space maybe, nature. Oh, slopes. That'll do really good. Yeah. So yeah, the slopes. Delete the heart background by just clicking the X. Yeah, that looks more like the unicorn is flying, I think. I think that looks pretty good. So now I go to the unicorn and what does this need? So the unicorn kind of looks like he's flying. Yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. Now we're going to make it a game. So we're going to scroll down until we find something that unicorns like. A rainbow is good, I think. And then we're just going to put it in completely random spots. So one green flag clicked. Hide, sorry. And then, yeah, we're going to have that. So we're going to shrink it down a bit by pressing the shrink button and then clicking on it. That's pretty good, I think. Yeah, that looks good. Sorry, I did not see this thing. So, sorry about that. Let me just, okay. Yeah, so we have that. And then, let me think. We're going to bring it over here. Sorry if you hear clicking, like, that's just the table. But anyways, we're going to drag it over so that the unicorn can actually grab it once we make the unicorn able to move. So forever, looks, control, wait 1 second, and then we're going to change that 1 second to 5 seconds. And then we're going to go to looks and then show. So yeah, pretty simple. Then what we're going to do is simply grab, what am I thinking? So yeah, it's showing, and then we need to have it go completely randomly anywhere in that area where the unicorn can grab it once we make the unicorn able to move up and down. So how you do this is you grab the go to block, then you go to operations, and you go to pick random 1 to 10. We're going to do that on the the Y position. So move that down. And I'm looking at its position right now. So yeah, we want it to go to that one. I found that out because that's the position that we started it in. And I look here, to there. Alright, so that's good. Okay, by the way, I am posting this game, so you can go check it out. Control, looks, show, control, forever, if, yeah, so then you're gonna go to looks, oh sorry, sensing, oh I always do that wrong, okay, move that, oh, no, oh wait, I did that right actually, sorry, looks, hide, drag it down to there, and then make a variable. This is how you're going to do points. We're going to put score there, score, okay, alright, we want to make sure that that's checked so it will make it show, that's what that is, and score to 0 is, and then change by 1. That's the whole entire point system, really simple, just 2 blocks of code. So yeah, that's technically how we do that. Okay, and then yeah, it's really simple. That's all it is. And then that score thing at the top will do that. So then we want to make the unicorn move. So now what we're going to do is go to the unicorn, and then we're going to go to events, sorry. And then when green flag clicked, forever, if, yeah. And then again, to make the 2 controls which are up and down. I always mess up there. Alright, key pressed is what we're going to do, and the down arrow and the up arrow. So start with the up arrow and then go to the down arrow. Down arrow. Alright, that's really simple. And then we're going to make the unicorn move when you press the buttons. So let's do that. So what you got to do is you go over to, oh my gosh, okay. Then we go over to motion, and then you're going to go to change, you see, and not set. Set will ruin it. So yeah, change to 5, no, whatever. Yeah, that'll fit. Yeah. And negative to go down. So yeah. And then when I'm pressing the arrows on the keyboard, it'll make the unicorn go up and down. Then I can go collect the rainbow. Boom. A really actually good game for beginners. Alright, so now we are just going to go over looks and click, go to front. We literally click it. So right there, you can actually just click it, and then it will make your game look better. And then same with this, just click it. And then this is the final game. So there's the rainbow. The rainbow doesn't seem to be appearing. I wonder if we have a glitch. Hang on. Yeah, we seem to have a glitch. I think it's because the rainbow stays hiding. So yeah, a lot of times programmers will get glitches. I'm sure after I publish this video, there'll still be glitches found. But this is just for beginners. I don't want to make it too complex. So yeah, let's try to separate the scripts. Will that work? Where's the rainbow? Oh, we got a score already in 2. Okay, I don't know what's happening. Oh, there it is. This is weird. So I don't really know what's happening right now. Let's go like that, yeah. And then, sorry if you hear my friends. Well, my sister's friends. Hang on a minute. Okay, I am thinking here. So, I'm just gonna play this game while I think. So, I'm watching the rainbow. Like, it doesn't seem to be showing any longer, which means I think we still have a glitch. And we have a lot of points, so I don't know what happened. So, yeah, let's look at this. Looks, oh, there it is. That's odd. So, yeah, let's look at this script here. I don't know where the glitch is located, but it's somewhere. Let's look here. Well, oh, let's try reconnecting it. I don't know what is happening, honestly. Maybe something to do with the hiding. Wait 5 seconds. And then looks show. And yeah, let's see if that works. Okay, let's look. This, okay, there it is. Keep going. Oh, wow, okay. Just gonna keep playing the game. Alright. Okay, awesome. There we go. It seems to be working good. Seems to be working really, really good. Alright, let's grab that. Okay. Yeah, it seems to be working. Yeah, let's just go. And say you want to share it with the world. You just hit share right here and click it. And then you go and it'll bring you to this page. And technically, it is shared with the whole entire world. You can show it to your friends. So, yeah, I'm just going to write this. Real quick. Okay. Alright. Okay. So yeah, that's that. And, oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. I'll go check it out. Okay. We got that down. And yeah, that's technically how you do it. So, yeah.